is just a piece of angle iron, and it's got some rubber on the bottom. So you can take it and put it on any concrete ledge and turn it into the perfect skate park ledge. Today, I'm skating the flight board that the Brenton on Instagram gave me for free. I know, like 2 videos ago, I said I would never skate Thunder trucks again. I'm skating Thunder trucks, but these are the ones with the Grind King kingpins in there. I'll probably do a whole video about putting Grind King kingpins in regular trucks, but yeah. So on the bottom of this, I have my old DKL grip tape. The grip tape that's really worn out, or if I've broken a board, I'll take it off, switch it out, and I just stick it on the ledge. The cool thing about this is it can go on any street ledge, and it makes it instantly skatable. So normally with a ledge like this, if you wanted to skate it, you'd have to sand it down, paint it, and then wax it. But with this, you just stick it on there, and it's immediately skatable. Another cool thing is this is not going to tear up somebody's property, so security is not going to kick you out because you're not actually waxing the ledge and tearing it up, cracking it. You're just sticking this thing on there that protects it. The only bad thing about this is it's not long enough. It's only maybe 3 feet long. Charlie! If this was as long as the entire ledge, this would be amazing. Like, this would be a game changer for street skating. So I'm not putting a patent on this invention or anything, obviously, because it's just a piece of angle iron with some rubber on the bottom. Anybody can make it really easy. You can go down to a metal surplus store, get some metal, and make this in a matter of seconds. Just stick some rubber on there. But it is a lot of fun, and I'm going to eventually buy like an 8-foot long piece of angle iron and take it with me to street spots and stick it up on ledges. And this really does save like the street spot. It doesn't destroy or hurt the ledge at all, so you're not really destroying public property. It's like taking a skate park to the street spot. Now a lot of people are going to say that's stupid, it's not cool, but if you have a spot that you want to respect and you don't want to destroy, you don't want to mess up, you want it to look nice, this is the perfect solution for that. Also, if you're not really good at skating, you just can't push through rough street ledges like this unless you really, really work at making them smooth. So this just solves that. It makes it a lot easier. It's kind of cheating, but it's a lot of fun. This thing's a little bit heavy to skate around with, but it's definitely lighter than carrying a full box around with you. A really long ledge would be cool at a spot like this. We've actually got ledge on both sides, because you could do some of those really long board slides. you had an 8-foot long piece of angle iron with rubber on the bottom, you could take any normal concrete ledge and make the perfect skate park ledge out of it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.